Hello folks, this is Ted White and today I'm going to show you how to freeze frame in CapCut PC. Let's check it out. Alright folks, so the first thing you want to do is you'll want to import the clip that you want to do a freeze frame on. So the clip I'm going to be doing the freeze frame on is this one right here, and I'm just going to click open. From there I'm going to add the track to the timeline, and then you just take the playhead and put it in the desired location that you want to do the freeze frame on. So I'm gonna click right here, and just so you know, the star of this video is my 17-year-old dog named Pepper. Alright, she's happy to be in the video. So you put the playhead where you want to do the freeze frame on, and then you just simply click freeze, the freeze icon, which is located right here. And then it automatically defaults to a 3-second freeze. So we'll just take a look at this. And that'll be 3 seconds. However, you can make it less just by dragging it this way, one edge this way, and that'll be a much shorter freeze. And then you can make it longer by dragging it this way, okay? And then that freeze will be for much longer. Anyway, that is it for this tutorial. I hope it helped you out, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.